Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to check if iPhone battery is original or not. If you are using an iPhone and you want to check your iPhone battery is it original or not, so you have to follow a step, which is open your phone settings. In settings, just look for battery. Here's that, tap on it. In battery you'll get an option of battery health. You just have to tap on it, and here if you won't get any message on the screen, if you get a message on the screen just like this one, so it's mean that your battery has been replaced or it's not original. But if you won't get any message on this screen, so it's mean that your iPhone battery is original, or you can choose it by the first use of battery, which is January 2025. You can see that manufacturer date is December 2024 and the first use was January 2025, so it's mean that it's the original battery of the iPhone. So that's how you can check if iPhone battery is original or fake. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.